Topic for my lecture is energy crisis. When we realize the world where no bullet can be fired, where no artillery can be landed on a ground, we still can fight a war which is going on. Our diplomacy across the world is changing. Very first, the diplomacy was a currency. Second, relation. Third, about the contacts or education. But now a new type of diplomacy is seen a country. That is oil diplomacy. When we talk about the geopolitical scenario currently, where the large number of people or countries are facing problem of fuel crisis. I need to talk about Bangladesh, where all the corporate offices are shut down. Work from homes are going on. Nepal, complete shutdown is going on. Somehow, when we realize this, we must realize that the price of a crude oil is not a sole reason. Here, the concept of strategic energy alliance comes into effect. Energy crisis is a new way where the ally can be much more important for us. Like when we talk about UAE, when we talk about Qatar, when we talk about Bahrain, when we talk about Iran, we must realize that these countries are all producing countries, and the mutual existence are necessary for countries where 150 million people in India are using the petrol vehicle daily. Another aspect, like which comes to my mind, that why don't we switch to EV, the renewable energy? In the first part, the cost of EV is very high. The cost of production of lithium battery is equal to production of 150 cars in terms of pollution, because the carbon footprint of a lithium battery is much more potentially high than a normal CNG, the IC based engines. The second part, what will be the solution for dealing the present scenario? Very first solution will be the public transport. We need to opt for more and more public transport so that people can choose the public transport over their private vehicle. It will reduce the fuel consumption. The third part where India is lagging, that is number of strategic reserve. It is hard to say that India is only having strategic reserve only on 3 places. Around 3 places will be the Visakhapatnam port, the Chennai New Bangalore port, the Chennai port. Only 3 places where the strategic reserve of India are there. We need to enhance our strategic reserve. We need to also have a mutual agreement with other oil producing countries so that the volatility of overall petroleum market can be reduced. In 2021, the price of 1 barrel, which is equal to 159 liters of crude oil, is $19 during COVID. But currently the price is $116. That clearly shows the demand of oil price in that sense. At last, I would like to end my